Hi there! Welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, you will learn about adverbs, conjunctions, and preposition. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify adverbs, preposition, and conjunction in a given sentence. Describe the features of adverbs, preposition, and conjunctions, and explain the functions of adverbs, prepositions, and conjunctions. Ready? Let's get started. I'm sure you know a lot of words in the English language. What you might not know is that each of these words can be classified as a different part of speech with different functions. Some of the most important parts of speech include adverbs, preposition, and conjunction, and we will look at each of them, their functions, and how to use them. The first one we would learn about is adverbs. Adverbs are words that modify the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb expressing details about the place, time, manner, frequency, cost, degree, and other details. For example, in this sentence, she walked by quickly. The word quickly is an adverb because it details how the word move is used in the sentence. Other examples of words that serve as adverbs include far, lately, always, daily, etc., etc. Easy, isn't it? To learn more about how adverbals give different kinds of details, you can watch JSS 3 Django Kids video on adverbals and tenses. Next, let's learn about prepositions. Prepositions are words placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other words in the sentence. Preposition tells you where something is, when it happened, or where. For example, in this sentence, Bissy placed the ball on the table. The word on is a preposition because it shows the relation between the table and the ball by telling us the ball is on the table. Other examples of words that can serve as prepositions include over, into, around, across, etc., etc. Easy, isn't it? Next, let's learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions are words which join together words, sentences, and clauses. For example, in the sentence, Ngozi and Ayo are of the same height. The word "and" is a conjunction because it joins the nouns Ayo and Ngozi together. Conjunctions are of different types, hence they're called 1. Coordinating conjunctions if they join the words of the same rank. For example, words like "and." 2. Subordinating conjunctions if they join words of equal rank. For example, because. 3. Correlative conjunctions if they are used in pairs. For example, neither or none. 4. Compound conjunctions if they are groups of words which are used as conjunctions. For example, as well as. Now that we have learned what adverbs, preposition, and conjunctions are, let's look at and read this passage carefully to see if we can identify them. Passage. Our teacher asked the new girl to come to the front of the class and introduce herself. All eyes turned towards Patricia as she slowly stood up and walked lazily to the front of the class. The class waited patiently to hear her name, but she just stood there looking at the teacher, her eyes begging him to rescue her. Soon, some naughty students began laughing. The laughter soon spread across the class. Someone shouted, "What's your name, fool?" This drew out more laughter. The teacher gestured to her encouragingly, but by this time, strings of tears adorned both sides of her cheeks. Kids, can you recognize some adverbs, preposition, and conjunction in the passage? Well, Don't you agree the words in green are adverbs? Remember, adverbs are words that modify meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb by expressing details about the place, time, manner, frequency, cost, degree, and other kinds of details. Don't you also agree that the words in yellow fit our definition of preposition, which we gave as words placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other words in the sentence? And finally, the words in purple are definitely conjunctions. Don't you agree? Because as you can see, they are words that join words and clauses. Kids, with that, we've come to the end of today's lesson, where we learned all about what adverbs and prepositions are, their features, and how to identify them in a passage. Did you enjoy it? And I bet you can now identify adverbs, preposition, and conjunctions when you see them. See you in the next lesson. Bye!